Dhanteras is one of the most auspicious days of the year. Dhanteras marks the beginning of the 5-day Diwali festival. It is believed that whatever one buys on this day reaps rich benefits. The word Dhanteras is derived from two words, Dhan meaning wealth and Teras, which signifies the 13th day of the Krishna Paksha of the lunar month Kartik. Dhanteras is the day of incarnation of Dhanvantari, the god of health. It is said that on this day, Dhanvantari arose from Lord Vishnu's Samudra Manthan, or churning of the ocean, with a pot of life-giving nectar. So one prays to Dhanvantari, the deity of health, for good health and wealth in life. It is believed that any purchases, whether it may be gold or property, will flourish and bring prosperity if bought on this auspicious day. Dhanteras is an auspicious time to buy property or give token money for a new house. However, one must not do a Griha Pravesh on this day. On this day, a Chaumukhi, a square diya with 4 wicks, is lit up at the main entrance door of the house in the evening. Also, earthen lamps are lit at the entrance and in the entire household to drive out the evil energy and Lord Yama. Diwali is one of the most important festivals in our country. It is also a day when the goddess of wealth is worshipped. To welcome goddess Lakshmi, homeowners clean their homes thoroughly. One should remove shoes, slippers, and other broken and unwanted things from the entrance of the house. It is believed that goddess Lakshmi only enters a clean house. So ensure that the home is free of dust, dirt, cobwebs, and old and broken things, as they obstruct positive energy from entering the house. Diwali is celebrated on the day of Amavasya of Kartik month. As there is no moonlight on Amavasya, hence diyas are lit to illuminate the home. Lighting of the diyas signifies dispelling of darkness, ignorance, and it represents knowledge, happiness, and hope. For Diwali Puja, the temple area should have good flow of energy and hence should be clean. As the sun rises from the east, one gets maximum energy in this direction. Keep all idols on the east wall of your house and face east while worshipping. Now I am going to let you know the best Puja Muhurat for Dhanteras and Shubh Deepavali. So the ideal time for Dhanteras Puja is 6:18 p.m. to 8:11 p.m. on November 2, 2021. And for Diwali Lakshmi Puja, the ideal time is 6:18 p.m. to 8:06 p.m. on November 4, 2021. Wishing you all lots of blessings from Lord Dhanvantari for a healthy and happy life. A very happy Dhanteras. Let each diya you lit bring a glow of happiness on your face and also enlighten your soul. A very happy Diwali.